Well, the Twilight Saga Breaking Dawn Part 1 is out on DVD, and in tonight's PDX TV reports, Chloe Hauser celebrates by sitting down with an actress who plays a pivotal role in Breaking Dawn Part 2.
Casey LeBeau plays Kate Denali. She's a former vampire flame of Edward Cullen in Breaking Dawn. You can see her in the wedding scene in Part 1, but she plays a much larger role when Part 2 hits theaters this November.
We're cousins of the Cullens. We've known them for many, many years, and we come in to attend the wedding, and then Part 2, there's more involvement in the storyline and a lot of the things that happen in, you know, with Edward and Bella and all of that. I can't say too much.
Even though Casey is in Portland to talk about her work on the Twilight films, there's a lot she can't say. Everyone involved in the movie signs a hefty non-disclosure agreement. Even when she got the role, she wasn't allowed to tell her friends and family for several weeks afterward. It was torture.
It was. Especially after I'd auditioned for it 5 times and for over a period of about 3 months.
It may seem like all this secrecy keeps fans in the dark, but really, it turns out it's developed for the fans, to create a sense of magic to seeing the films on screen.
When you read a book, you know, because this is obviously from a book, you fantasize in a way about what it's going to look like. And so to give away, and you know, that instead of having the audience be able to experience it, it would just kind of ruin it.
The actors on the set were even treated to a surprise or two. There was one scene in the movie where the entire cast was kept in the dark.
We didn't even get to see the dress until she actually walked down the aisle in it. And so all of those reactions to us seeing her dress, those were actually our genuine reactions to seeing Kristen walk down the aisle with the dress.
One thing Casey can talk about is how close the Twilight cast is. Vampire, werewolf, or just plain human. No matter the role, these are behind-the-scenes friendships that will last an eternity.
The camaraderie that, you know, inevitably happens on most sets, but this was an extended, you know, because we were shooting 2 films and we were gone for so long, and you bond.
Because Casey's new to the Twilight cast, this was her first visit to Portland, but she hopes it won't be her last. For PDX TV Reports, I'm Chloe Hauser, the 8 o'clock news.